Hello guys, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new year. Welcome to new year with new strategy. Welcome to new service from Progress FS. My work here is to ensure that you get the necessary knowledge you needed in trading forex. But there is a particular program I will be doing for this particular year specifically. While I will be dropping certain strategies and insights in forex this year, I will specifically focus on teaching forex step by step, absolute beginner's guide. I will be posting the videos 3 times or more than that every week. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I drop a video. You will get the notification, especially if you are learning forex or you are learning strategy or you are learning anything knowledge in forex. Like you've seen, my previous videos are all about acquiring knowledge in forex. So I will start that program from the scratch. That is how to trade forex, the meaning of forex and how to trade forex, what to know, the steps to take before you think of practically engaging forex with forex MT4 platform or MT5 platform or whichever platform you are using. So definitely you should have basic theoretical knowledge, because forex is not all about downloading MT4 from Play Store or MT5, then registering an account and all of a sudden start trading. It is not done like that. So if you are a newbie in forex, or maybe you are average trader and you want to improve your trading, I will be dropping new strategies while I also update the basic forex strategies and knowledge, of course, from the scratch for basically the beginners, because I understand from the comments and from the messages which I have gotten that are usually maybe sent to me, if I should use that terminology, that most people watching forex videos on YouTube are beginners. So my advice here is that you should follow this channel, subscribe, comment, whatever thing you want me to say something about or teach you about or teach about, so that both you and the rest and others will get our acquire knowledge on it. Drop the video, drop the comment in the comment section. So because with your comments, both in either appreciating the videos or objecting the videos or sharing what you think should be looked into based on the fact that I am teaching what I think is going to be important to you as an experienced trader. It's not everything that are necessarily needed by you that I will seek to know, because I am not with you. So if you're watching this channel and you would like me to say something or to teach on something which you would like to know or have insight about, drop it in the comment section. So just like other volatility pairs, especially Bitcoin, gold, Nasdaq, and the rest of them. So the first video I will be dropping this year, in line with this you are watching right now, so watch it to the end, is what gold will be displaying this year, the possible direction the gold will be heading to this year. Remember, I used to tell all the viewers of my channel that it is very necessary that you start your analysis from 1 month time frame. So as you can see, this is the 1 month time frame. So from what is displaying here, you can agree with me that gold is still heading up, but might retrace to some extent. But with this regard, in order to know exactly what and how to find this out, we have to engage the weekly time frame. So in this weekly time frame, you can see the retracement displayed at this point, this very area is the same kind of retracement you are seeing here, but because of this push-up is the reason why it is adjusting to gather momentum in order to move upwards once again. So if it is a normal downtrend, this candlesticks showing a lot of rejection, pin bars and bullish reversal candlesticks will not be appearing just like that. So don't be deceived with this. It might still head down a bit. Of course, follow up this video to the end. You will get to where I'm going to together with me in the direction gold tends to go this very new year. So here is the point. Based on what I have taught you, you have to watch older videos in order to understand what I said about this market divergence. So you can see in this place that this market divergence never crossed below the zero line, for instance, and the red signal line, which I told you is the last one that used to touch the zero line before it will decide whether to reverse or not, or the blue signal line, sometimes whenever it gets to the zero line level, it will reverse and cross above this red signal line. Then the market will continually going up. So that is why you are still seeing all this ranging. So not until we see it, these signal lines crossed properly. Remember, this is weekly time frame. So not until we see this signal line crossed properly below the zero line, this MACD divergence zero line level, and of course it's going to retrace before gathering the momentum to push down. That is if it decides to head, if gold decides that this is a kind of reversal. But even if it's going to reversal, even if it is going to reverse, gold is going to head up to form a twin wing in the 1 month chart platform. Look at this. As you can see, this is the first wing, the very M format. If you remember the M format strategy, just like what you have at this point. So gold is going to, it has gotten to this place. This is the first wing. It will retrace down here, as you can see, to form the M format. So gold is going to push back again from this monthly time frame. You can see what is going to display. It is probably going to push back again before coming down, maybe for proper retracement. So remember what I told you about proper retracement and minor retracement in the old video. So you have to watch them in order to get updated. while watching this particular strategy and the direction gold tends to go. So let us now apply trend lines. Watch this video to the end if you really want to know what gold is about to display for the year, or I've already displayed for the year. So now let's set this here. I always try to make it more accurate so that the viewers will understand it. So the first trend line has been added. Watch this closely. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and stay tuned so that whenever I upload new video, you will get the notification on time, and of course update your knowledge. So like I said, if there is anything you would like Progress FS to look into, if there is anything you would like Progress FS to look into on the process of your learning through my platform here, comment on the comment section and I will reply to you. And of course, if it is something that needed to be done or that needed a video to be done on, I will make sure that the video is done just to get everybody along. From these two lines now, do you see what already have played out? So let's add another support, let's say a kind of support and resistance platform. Remember the moving averages I told you to be using, they are very important, but I'm doing this for the sake of analysis purposes. So I love my moving averages. Watch my old videos to know all the moving averages I taught you about. They are very essential, and especially the 10, 20 and 34 moving averages. That is 10, 20 EMAs and 34 SMA moving average. Those three moving average are very powerful and very important in trading Forex. So let's add another line indicating where we have support and resistance. So there is something I also would like to tell you. Don't forget to always revisit this particular video. If you are trading gold, especially, you can screenshot it, you can save it. So if it is possible, you download it, but don't paralyze Progress FS. My intention is to assist people who want to learn and not to be volatile to you by paralyzing our work and maybe using it for different purposes, which is not good. So now with these three support and resistance line showing where probably the market will go next, if I am to say, if we should add again, that is another possible place that gold is going to stop is here. That's another possible place gold is going to stop by on its way downwards or uptrending. So with these setups, you can already be understanding possibly the next moves gold is likely to make. So watch the video to the end and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned. Then you see what I'm trying to display to you. So here you can agree with me that the market is likely to go downwards or uptrend. But let's go back now to a daily time frame and see what we displayed, how it's looking. So let me reduce the size of the chart here. Good. So I have reduced the size of the chart. This is how the chart now looks on daily time frame. Remember, this is the outlook on weekly time frame. This is now the outlook on daily time frame. So this is how I milk and kill the market. So you can agree with me now that there is possibility of the market retracing, heading up a bit and push down, or coming down straight then push up for possibly final movement, or it might not go down again because of this. Watch this line I am going to put here. So let me maybe make it a different color so that it will show exactly what is up to. You know, there is what this market used to do. So when they saw that a lot of people are seeing, I'm talking about market makers, when they saw the fact that a lot of people are seeing similar something and are acting on similar direction, they will change the decision. That is market makers. And you know, market behaves based on the attitude of the bigger investors. So if bigger investors behave somehow in the market, of course you will see the market will behave according to the decision of bigger investors. So this is what smaller investors like myself and every others, because there are people who are commanding billions in forex market. So this is, even if for those of us who commands millions and thousands in the forex market, this is what you see. But the difference between one that commands millions and thousands are that if they use proper risk management, they are likely to survive any volatile impact. That is decision from the bigger market makers. So now when you look at this line, this is the initial trend line. The initial trend line. So the market price broke this line from here at this point where you see the cursor. Look at the point it broke this trend line, then went up to hit the higher trend line, then push back. So on a normal platform it's supposed to range above this trend line, but in some cases some people's stop losses based on this spot where the market ranged, you find out normally, if I am to properly analyze the market, I will add one more. I will add one more support and resistance line at this point. Do you get this point now? At this place, So you find out that the resistance that occurs between this place, I should have numbered this line so that it will be clearer. So let me get this cursor again. Perfect. Here, that is from this line and this line. So you find out that in this place a lot of activities market ranged before it broke down to this place, ranged again before it broke up to the same line, and it ranged again before coming to this place. At this point, after ranging, it broke down to the next support level. So now you can see after this place that the market broke this trend line, the possibility of the market heading up is there. So because of the momentum to continue heading up, remember what is left here before reversal is reversal candlestick. It is a very big signal about what is still to happen up there. I am not specifically trying to tell you that gold will head up immediately. No. But the possibility of gold not coming down again or coming down to this support level here at this point, this support level, coming down to this support level before heading back, or even get the point, breaking through to this place, this last support level. Of course, if it does that, you know there will be possibility of the market testing here before it goes back. That is around 1450. But from another indication, it is likely to test this support level here, then head back up, or possibly continue heading up from this point, this ranging point. The possibility is there, so there is no doubt about it, because currently it is still trying to develop a trend up trend line. That is how it's used to start. In the next of this video, I am going to add the arrows where possibly the market might head to. But from this particular video, you have seen something very important which you need to be conscious about. Then in that video too, I will treat both the 4 hours time frame and the 1 hour time frame with regards to this analysis and how to trade gold this year. How to trade gold this year. You must be conscious about how you trade gold. And with that strategy, that the last point I'm going to review in the 1 hour time frame, trust me, out of all about 15 to 20 entries, 5 might be wrong, but the other 5 will be accurate with that strategy, tested and trusted. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Happy New Year once again. Stay tuned with Progress FS. Share this video, ask your friends to subscribe, get them, because it won't be any good for you to get the knowledge all alone without your friends participating in liberating themselves with this kind of pandemic ravaging the world financially. So share the video, leave your comment below and subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe, and of course stay tuned for the next phase of this video. Bye for now.